So I have the petals dusted and all ready in all the 4 sizes, 6 of them, and we also have the center, and now we just need to start taping them and putting the peony together. So I'm just going to again set these aside and start working on one size at a time. I'm just going to start with the first size, and I'm just going to bend the petals where the wire starts, okay, where the petal ends, all of them, because the drying position using the same thing we wouldn't be able to tape it. So you see the difference between these two. Okay, this change in the shape, the bending of the wire is essential. Just hold it where exactly the petal ends and then just bend it back. So once that is done, you just have the center here, and then have this wire, hold the wire with the petal. Just check how much of the height you would want, and here you could just try and bring it up a bit or lower a bit depending on where exactly you want the centermost petal to be seen. So check the top. Okay, do you want to lower it or do you want to just up it a bit? So this you could just decide and take a call. So I'm just going to keep the first petal, the first layer there, and so I'm holding where I just want the wire to be, and again I'm starting to tape. Keep stretching, go around. And so there are 6 petals, right? There will be overlaps. So I'm just going to place the petal a little behind the one that I just added. Hold it, tape it around. And then that will be the last layer of, last petal of the first layer. I'm just keeping the overlapping uniform for all the 6. And then I'm going to get the second size, bend the petals. Start with the first one. So we're just going to start right below here, right below, and don't give gap where the wire is going to be there. So you don't start it somewhere like this. Holding it like this is not right. Okay, you just need to hold it right there, no gap at all. So again, overlapping, just add it right below like that, as close to the first layer as possible. That's important, otherwise your flower is just going to start looking like a cauliflower at the end. You don't want to build the layers just one below the other. You don't give so much space. Just have two more. And the last one. So I'm just getting the petals adjusted for the overlap. So the second layer is done. I'm getting the third layer. So again it's the same thing, just put it properly under, no gap. So the third layer is also done. Now one last layer is there. I'm just going to start with the last layer. Again at the back is like no gap at all, just push it all the way up. And start taping. So you just need to take it like really very close to the top, because the last layer could make it a little difficult for you to just push the petal until the top. But here your tape should have covered all the wire. That's so important. Okay, so this I'm like pushing it all the way. When I'm doing that, it is okay to just bend the petal furthermore, but the goal is to have your wire pushed to the top as much possible. And as you're taping, just get your finger there too close to the wire and then make it tight. 3 more to go. But still we'll be doing it one by one. And the last petal. So my goal is to get the tape as close to the top as possible. So the wires are kind of sealed with a tape, and that's very important. And holding it tight and make 1 or 2 more rounds in the same place here, and then get your tape down, putting all the wires together. Just sealing up all the wires. We have the peony, like you could open it up a bit depending on how big or small you need, or you could just have the petals closed up as well, but I think I like it this way. But you can see how you could actually bring down the petals like that and kind of also make it open. And you could bring every other layer down as well if you would like it to be like a bigger flower and open, even the centermost. Now if you want to just bring it down or take it back, you need to get the support of the wire at the back, and don't try to touch the petal alone without getting the support of the wire. And when you do that, because they are wired, it is always nice to show some gap between one layer above and below each of the petals layers. Okay, so we have the beautiful open peony made using sugar flower, and I'll catch you up in another flowers lesson.